Hello everyone, this is Bill Hood with the Trucking MBA and VLocity Group, and we're really excited to launch our new compliance calendar where it lists off all the dates that you need to make sure that you're aware of throughout the year. And we've made this free for everybody, so why don't we go ahead and dig into it. We've got three versions of the calendar that we've created. The first version is no custom dates. This is going to give you your KYU quarterlies, your IFTA quarterlies, your IFTA renewal, anything that is going to apply to just about anybody out there. The second version that we're providing at no charge to customers is we're going to include your own driver information, your carrier dates, specific things. So like IRP renewal dates, driver CDL expirations, medical card expirations, annual driver reviews. That's going to be included in at no charge, and that's behind a password protected site. The third one that we have, and this is for the VLocity Group or VLG Authority clients or somebody who's using our drug consortium, is we're also going to take the second one and we're going to give you email alerts at specific intervals, 30 days, 10 days, 5 days. We're going to make sure you're alerted ahead of time so that you can get that information taken care of. So let's go ahead and take a look at the site. So here what we're looking at is this would be where we have the password protection, where you can log in, you enter your password. So when we're first logging in here, what we're going to see is there's a couple of things. It's always going to log into the actual month that you are in. It's going to show you with a little blue over the date what day we're in. And there's a couple of things we can do. Let's go through some generic functions here. You can click through the months up here in the corner. You can also drill down by every 2 weeks, every week, 3 days, or individual day that you want to take a look at the information. Now here's where it really gets exciting. What you can do is you can click on any of the areas that you have, and what we've done is we populated it with information specifically about whatever compliance item we're talking about there. So in this case, it's the medical certificate. So we'll have an explanation about here from the FMCSA. We'll have links out to specific sites or regulations with the FMCSA or possibly even your state. We'll even have links in here to specific videos we've created for you to get you more education about what's happening. Then we also will include documents, some generic documents and some helpful documents in there. All you have to do is go ahead and click on the document. And what we're going to see here is we're going to see the information on the document. Now you can go ahead and you can print the document out or you can download it. This here is a generic example of a medical examiner certificate. Then we also will include other important documents. So here's one that we don't see a lot of people doing. It's something that a lot of small carriers aren't doing, which is verifying that the medical card that a driver has is actually valid. So one thing that you should be doing is you should be going on the National Registry list, which is right up here, and checking that that person that performed the, that signed off on the medical card is actually registered. And what we have here is a form that we brought just from the FMCSA that you can go ahead and download for yourself by clicking the little download link, and you can fill this out, put that in the driver qualification file, and that's showing the FMCSA and the DOT that you did your due diligence and that the driver doesn't have a fraudulent card. So thank you for taking your time to take a look at this. We hope you found it valuable. Please reach out to us at info@velocitygroup.com. Of course, we'll have that information that you can click on down in the information section down below, as well as a link to the compliance calendar that we were just showing you here.